Hi all, so welcome to today's tutorial. So today we will start a new project and it will we will make our own Beat Saber and we will make it more interesting and I swear we will make it more interesting than the Beat Saber. So by default, okay, the VR is not visible. So if I will tap Oculus, give me a second. Let me have the connection on. So by default, I'm just assuming you will have that connection. So by default, I have already connected my VR to my PC. So I will just make it quick. Okay, I think I'm connected. Yes, I am. If I will head back. So this is just the dummy version, which I just created for POC. So you can see, here's my one shot. And let me pick my second two. And as soon as the game will start, I should be able to cut something out. Okay. Yes. So as soon as if I will hit the current marker, it will turn everything to red, and with the beat, it will start spawning, everything. So right now, it is just pixel, but you got it right. Second, this was just okay, perfect. So this was just the POC, but we will make the better version of the Beat Saber. So let's hit it. So for this, I will use 5.3 Unreal. So let me close this quickly. This too. Let me open Unreal. So here I am. I'm launching Unreal 5.3. Give it a second. So today we will just set up our project. So in the game section, just make sure you're choosing the virtual reality template because there are very much different settings which you have to tweak, and it will be much difficult if we will go from any of the other template. So just to have that in picture, so I will name it as Singh Beat Saber. Yep, and we do we want to include starter content? Nope. I just want everything default. Just create. So right now you can see there was no option of C++. Reason being is this template is fully inside the blueprint. They haven't included anything from the C++ part, so that is why. But we will create our own and we will create everything in C++. So just stay tuned with me. Okay, so this is up. So make sure this VR preview is switched off because I disconnected my VR headset, but make sure that it is visible so you can test it and everything is working fine. If this is not visible and you have connected your headset through your PC, then something is wrong. Test it. Okay, so first I do want to make some changes to the existing the project, how they have arranged everything down, because I actually hate this hierarchy. So we'll create our own like how we usually do. So I will create a folder called Sing Beat Saber. So we will include everything here. So here we will include core, which core means the game mode, the player state, player controller, everything. So all those classes will be the part of core. Next is actors or the blueprints. So actors. Next is asset. What more? Do we need anything else? Yes, maps. Maps and I think this is pretty much it. If I'm not wrong. I think yes. Okay, next is like FP weapon meshes. I don't want to have any of this, so I can no, we definitely don't want So we can just delete it, just force delete. From level prototyping also, I don't see anything which is required for us, so we'll delete that too. Just force delete it, and yeah, we just need these cubes. So just let me check, like, where are they? Okay, so they are inside VR editor, and this, okay, so they are the part of the VR engine, which is inside uh, engine folder. So what I will do, I will just copy one. Same goes actually this, these two will be good for me. Mm, and what I will do in the content here, like Beat Saber, they are the part of assets. So inside asset, we will have one more folder called static mesh. Meshes, we'll paste them here. Okay. Mm, okay, anything else? We are spectator. We don't want any of it except this input. So what I will do, this will be the part of core. Uh, I always put input there. So uh, where is it? All content Singh. I'm not sure, like, we should put input. So definitely it's not an asset, but okay. For now, let me just put it there. Delete, force delete, and VR template. We will keep everything as it is, I guess. And in character class, we don't need anything. So we'll just delete it. Delete. Okay, they are having some reference with the VR pawn, but mm, okay, just force delete it. Okay, I think everything is cleaned. So file, new level. I want empty one because we will create everything from scratch. So just create it. Don't save it. Now save it. Sing beat saver maps. Sing beat saver map. Okay, I think we are good. And just to have one starting point, you remember that the asset which we put in our directory, assets, so static mesh, we will have this static mesh at 000. So we can start well. So I do want to spawn my, pawn here, and will scale like 0.1. So we will have it stand. It, 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 it is feeling like a stand, right? So we will scale it 2 and 2 just to have the proper room for standing. Just click save and we are good to go, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Do we have anything in the VR template which is required for us? Textures, yes. Maps, we don't need anything. Just delete it. Okay, these are the input actually which we do need. So we can delete the old one though. So let me actually input delete. Yes. Okay. Content VR input we will shift and haptic is blueprint we will delete all of them, if I'm not wrong, but we can use. So delete this grab component, yes, 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 projectile, yes. We won't use any of them and we will create our own classes. I'm not sure if we should keep this. Actually, just clean everything. So we can, we can create everything from the scratch, but except this VR pawn, just because you need to have that reference here, because so when you will boot up with the template and when you will try to play the game for the first time, right? So you can feel your hand left and right. So this is because of that motion controller. And so motion controller component is responsible to have, left hand and the right hand. So we will create our own. That is why I don't want to use it. So we will just delete it. Uh, okay, so that is why I just wanted to show you. So we will actually delete everything except this UI menu. But uh, do we? No. Okay. So let me delete this. Okay. VFX template textures. No, no, no. Okay. This I'm just keeping it black because I am not sure like whether we do want to keep it or not. And in Beat Saber, I will this and actor this to blue, because if you are following my tutorial, so you must have pretty much a good idea like why we always do follow some color conventions. So I'm doing that. Okay, inside asset, we have static meshes, we have materials, materials, sounds, textures. Okay, so I think everything is done from the the organization perspective, like how we should organize the folders. So this seems good. Okay, so it is already 12 and we have arranged everything from the folder organization side, like we have organized them. So okay, so this was it for today. We will Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.